It says DPF filter is full, so the DPF filter is full, so we have to do some driving on the road for 20 minutes, more than say 90 kilometers per hour, to clean that DPF filter. So, hello guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. It is a rover video and I hope you will like it. Stay tuned. It says DPF filter is full, so the DPF filter is full, so we have to do some driving on the road for 20 minutes, more than say 90 kilometers per hour, to clean that DPF filter. Let's do it. Okay, off we go. So we did 4 times the regeneration process. None of them succeeded because the error message didn't go away from the screen. I think that it is because of it is winter and the temperatures are too low, so that I couldn't get the temperature in the DPF filter not high enough to succeed the process. This is why I ordered 2 spray cans of DPF cleaner, and you will see the process that I did and how it succeeded. Stay tuned. So I ordered the K2 DPF cleaner and I tried it, and you will see in the coming video how it worked. It is not a sponsored video, however. The directions say spray it 3 to 5 times in the DPF filter. Let it soak for 5 seconds in between. Then start the engine and let it run for 15 minutes stationary. Then take a ride for more than 30 minutes on a speed that is higher than 60 kilometers an hour. So you have to remove this clip here, this one, so you can pull up the rubber tube, and then inside here you can put the small tube of the DPF cleaner. Same on the other side here. Remove this clip upwards, and then this rubber tube, loosen it with this rubber tube, and inside this tube you put the small tube of the DPF cleaner and you press it 3 times with a pause of 5 seconds to fill up the DPF filter, and then the process can go further. And here is a picture of the DPF filter shown in the manual. To loosen the clip on the driver's side, it took me 1.5 hours because the clip was turned to the wrong side, so I couldn't reach the pins of the clip. So this goes on top of the spray can, and you have this small plastic tube that you can fit into the small tube that goes to the DPF cleaner. And then you can spray it in the DPF cleaner, like so. Having a DPF filter on a diesel car, you have some negative things that you have to take into account. First of all, there is the dilution of the engine oil. This is because the Range Rover, in the process of cleaning the DPF filter, sprays some diesel into the cylinder after the combustion cycle. This has to go into the exhaust system, but part of it can also come mixed with the engine oil. This is why some people change the oil from 5W30 into the 5W40, because that is a little bit thicker. Because of this extra spraying of diesel into the cylinder, you can use 2% more diesel than normal. And you always have to keep in mind that you never can clog the DPF filter, because it can do damage. It can because of damage to the engine. Also, when the filter gets dirty, you can feel that the engine has less power and you will use more diesel than normal. So it is very important to keep those DPF filters as clean as possible. So we went on the road for 30 minutes, had a fine ride, and we can call it a success because the error went away and the engine got its full power back. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you have some remarks on the DPF cleaning and on the video, give it in the comment section below. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Most of all, have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next one. Peace.